Hey guys, this is Tony from the RAO fishing team here, out here on Mississippi River Pool 8. We got a beautiful day, clear skies, sunny, and we're about to get ready to go get them. So stay tuned, let's have some fun. I don't know what he is, he hasn't revealed himself yet.
He's not fighting.
Now he is. Now he doesn't want to lose. Oh shit. What the fuck is this? Hello! There he is. Get him down. Stay on there. Stay on there. Coming in.
There you go. Frogfish.
On the board with the right species. More of a chance to fish it down south because. Oh, yeah!
Nice.
Oh man, $1.97 frog bait from Walmart.
What do we got here?
Hey guys, this is Tony from Real American Outdoors, finishing up on Mississippi River Pool 8 out here in LaCrosse, Wisconsin. Naming the game this weekend, topwater frog fishing, getting them in the weeds, the lily pads, and the grass. This is an Ozark Trail, the little cheap Walmart brand that probably was more successful than all the booyahs that we threw. Fishing it, heavy action rod, 7'2", 50, 65 pound braid, loose speed spool. Just casting out deep, just working it slowly across the water, and they were hitting it all night long. Other than that, not much else worked except for really the frogs and a little bit of finesse tactics, but frog fishing was the name of the game this weekend. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this whole video experience. There's more to come from the Real American Outdoors, and we'll see you out in the water.